Hello sir, thank you so much for giving me enough time or maximum time to continue your project or work on your website. And as per your direction, I have fixed this last issue. I have changed this font size. Also, this one already fixed. So let me show you this one first. So reload. You see, I have fixed it. The font size is right now similar. Also you can see here is the text that is that missing. So why it's missing? Because you have to edit on the product section. So when you add any product or when you want to show this info, you have to add this information in the meta field lead time, otherwise it does not work. For example, if I go to any other product, for example, click on it, you see it show different because I have added different. And if I go another one, there is no text. You have to manage it from here. You have to add individual text from here. I hope you understand. Let me know if you need any more guide or anything else. Thank you so much again.